All right, so this is what it comes with. You get your remote, you get a couple screws, and this little doohickey here is what goes in on the sides right here in these holes to lock this down. You get one, you get two. These are the window sliders, right? There's one here, and then there's these two here. And this one right here is the one that this port goes into. You see that? See those little catches? And that's going to go in there. All right. Then you get this accordion kind of doohickey here. And this, of course, hooks on to this collar and the back of the machine there. It does come with instructions, which you should read. And then you also have these that you can use for insulation on the window, and this is for your drip area. You can hook this on the back on those two ports that collect water. So yeah, that's it basically in a nutshell right there. That's everything you get with the Black & Decker 8000 BTU portable AC.